Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SUNEQ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past couple of days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the chart, and then does a good job and makes it easier to see where levels of support and resistance are. I have done this one quite a few times in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made. So let's map out where some of these newer levels of support and resistance are at. Before anything else, a few house cleaning items. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these lines up here. Yes, they still pertain to the chart, but in the spirit of not having a million annotations everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 20 cents as support. But now that the price has broken below there, that's going to be the key area of resistance to get back up above. So 20 cents, near-term area of resistance. Also on top of that, keep an eye on the purple line right there. That's the 50 period simple moving average. And now that the price is below it, this could tend to act as a resistance too. But I think, more so kind of the main public enemy at this point is going to be just getting back up above the 20 cent level, which again is that red line right there. Now, what about levels of support? Because the price did pull back quite a bit more today. So, where are some of these next potential areas at where the buyers seem to be hanging out? First level comes just from the data, the info, whatever you want to call it, data, tomato, right here at 16 cents. You can see on several different occasions, the bears try to press down through this area. And each and every time the bulls did a very good job of, stepping in. So there does seem to be some buyers willing to pick up shares there at 16 cents. Now, that's not a guarantee that people are going to continue to want to buy right there. But as it stands right there, as the history of the chart has shown us, people are currently willing to buy at 16 cents. So that's going to be the shorter term level of support. In the event 16 cents cannot hold, the next key level of support to keep an eye on down there at 14 cents. So 16 cents, 14 cents, two near term levels of support. So the price, not shocking to see it pull back after the huge move that it's made, but at this point it has pulled back enough, so it's time for the bulls to start to step back in and kind of put their hard hats on and build some sort of higher base here in order for the big picture chart to still remain healthy. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.